Did you know that mortgage rates have hit a 2-year low, which increases buyer purchasing power by over $74,000 compared to last year? However, Palm Springs area homes and condo sales have not picked up with lower mortgage rates, and this past month's sales were 33.5% below normal. And our homes and condos for sale inventory continues to be about 1,000 units below our pre-pandemic levels, with only 2,421 homes and condos for sale across the entire Coachella Valley. Hi, Neal here, your Living in Palm Springs Realtor, with our October 2024 Palm Springs Real Estate Update. The average price of a single-family home in the Coachella Valley declined again for the 5th month in a row to $640,000. Now that's still $3,750 higher than last year. The median price of a condo is now $436,500, which is up $1,500 over last year. The current median price of a single-family home in Palm Springs is now $1,160,123, which represents a 9.1% decline from last year. This price drop, combined with lower mortgage rates, has created an interesting situation for potential buyers and also for sellers alike. Let's jump right into the latest market conditions. As we break down the facts and figures, a surprising trend emerges. While some areas of the Coachella Valley are experiencing significant price increases, others are seeing notable declines. Now, take Indian Wells, for example, where single-family homes have seen a staggering 25.6% increase in price since last year. This growth is particularly noteworthy when compared to Palm Springs, which experienced a 9.1% decline during the same time period. So, what's causing this disparity? Well, several factors could be at play, including shifts in buyer preferences. Now, it's important to remember that each of the 9 cities here in the Coachella Valley and their different neighborhoods can also be highly localized, with conditions varying significantly even within short distances. Now, let's look at volume. The 3-month average for home sales in the Coachella Valley stands at 496 units per month. This represents a decrease from the 555 units sold a year ago. To put these figures in perspective, let's consider the total dollar sales for last month. September saw $373 million in total sales, which is 13% below last year's figures. Despite these changes, it's crucial to remember that the real estate market is cyclical, especially during presidential election years. Homes priced over $1 million continue to account for 50% of all sales in the Coachella Valley. And remember, the homes over $1 million aren't necessarily gargantuan 10,000 square foot homes. Now, there are nice homes that used to be in the $700,000 to $800,000 price range just a few years back. And don't forget, if you're thinking about buying or selling a home here in the Palm Springs area, be sure to schedule a free, no pressure, no obligation Zoom call with me so that we can make sure you're covering all the bases. And be sure to ask me about the Living in Palm Springs concierge service, or LIPS for short, offering a higher level of personalized services to both buyers and to sellers. Now, let's get back to the market update. Homes are sitting on the market longer than they have been, but actually it's getting closer to pre-pandemic levels. At the end of September, the median number of days on the market in the Coachella Valley was 49 days, which is 11 days more than last year. The city of Coachella continues to have the lowest number of days on the market, with average selling time of 34 days, followed by Desert Hot Springs at 26 days and Cathedral City at 43 days. Homes in Bermuda Dunes have the highest average selling time of 66 days. And remember, even though our number of homes on the market available for sale is increasing, we are still about 1,000 homes and condos under what was the normal pre-pandemic level. For potential buyers, this mixed market could present some interesting options. Areas experiencing price declines like Palm Springs might offer more favorable conditions for those looking to enter the market, but on the other hand, rapidly appreciating areas like Indian Wells could be attractive for investors or for those seeking potential long-term value growth. Sellers also face an interesting market. Sellers in areas seeing price increases might find themselves in a strong position, while others may need to adjust their expectations or their strategies in light of local market conditions. It's worth noting that overall, single-family homes are showing price resilience. Interestingly, despite the overall cooling trend, we're still seeing a portion of the homes selling at or above list price. Now, this indicates that well-priced, desirable properties are still attracting competitive offers. It's a reminder that standout properties can still command premium prices. For those considering entering the Palm Springs real estate market, whether as a buyer or a seller, understanding these dynamics is crucial. The current market offers a unique window where both parties can potentially find favorable terms. It's important to remember that real estate markets can shift rapidly and conditions here are hyper-local. One of the most significant factors on the horizon is what the Federal Reserve does with the possible rate cuts coming up in the next few months. For buyers, these cuts would have a profound effect on the real estate market. Lower interest rates generally increase affordability, and they also stimulate demand, which could lead to more buyers entering the market. This shift could create a more competitive environment for buyers, but it also presents an opportunity for those who act quickly. Looking at the broader picture, experts are predicting home prices will increase an average of 4.6% or so here in the Palm Springs area. This could mean that properties that seem reasonably priced for today might become more expensive in the near future. The median price of a Palm Springs single-family home is currently at $1,160,123. Rancho Mirage's median is a little higher at $1,391,380. La Quinta is at $814,396, and Palm Desert is at $730,169. It's currently taking about 30 days to close a house here in California and Palm Springs as well. So once your offer is accepted, you can get your keys in about 30 days. It's an election year, and we just aren't sure when interest rates may be cut. We hope to see sales return to a more normal level later this year, and we are seeing a shift to a more balanced market. Remember, real estate is a long-term investment, so focus on finding a home that meets your needs rather than trying to time the market perfectly. Schedule a free Zoom call with me to answer any questions and use the link in the description below. Now, be sure to watch this next video. You won't see anything else like it. It's got more information all about living here in Palm Springs.